I have a question for you. What do you do when you don't feel good? Well, if you're like most people, you're gonna take something, a potion, a lotion, a pill, something that's gonna help you feel better. And if what you're taking doesn't help you, then you're gonna go over to the pharmacy and try to find something there to take. And if that doesn't help you, then you're gonna call up your doctor probably to see if he can prescribe something to you so that way you can feel better quicker. But the question is the cure worse than the condition? Every medication that you take has side effects. It doesn't matter what medication it is. It could be anything from a Tylenol or an aspirin up to more potent medications. They all have adverse effects. Some way, shape, or form, it's going to have an impact on your body. So if what you're taking, you're trying to get healthier, but in the process, you're also having problems, you're getting sicker. Is that good? Probably not. There's two types of care that you can receive. One is sick care, which is what we were just describing there, where you go for a medication, you take a pill or a potion to try to fix a problem that you're having. And the other one, that's healthcare. Healthcare is when you take care of yourself, when you actually do the things that are necessary to be well. And that's what chiropractic care is all about. According to the World Health Organization, health is a state of complete physical, mental, and social well-being, not merely the absence of disease or infirmity. Where does health come from? Health comes from the same place where your hair grows, where heart beats, where how you breathe. Did you ever get cut and you didn't apply an ointment or a Band-Aid to it? Did it heal? Well, of course it healed, because life heals. Life flows through your nervous system. The brain cells respond by coordinating the various systems of the body to supply what is being demanded. How does this process get disrupted? The answer is stress. So there's a variety of stresses that are on your body that can cause your nervous system to be blindfolded, and it would result in the same chaos that you would experience if you drove blindfolded, and that is called a vertebral subluxation. The interference caused by a vertebral subluxation can lead to symptoms potentially, and it will lead you into a state of dis-ease or functioning without ease. A subluxation is when the spinal bones cause pressure upon nerves or the spinal cord for that matter, and causes interference. Now, as a chiropractor, what I do is correct those subluxations by delivering a very specific force to the spine to remove that interference or reduce that interference from the brain and to the body. By taking pressure off those nerves, health restores. The same way that taking pressure off my finger, we can actually restore health to the finger. If I keep the pressure on this finger and that finger stays red, I can exercise it, inject it, or do anything to it. It's not going to get better until I take the pressure off. And that is what we do, essentially, as a chiropractor. So if you're looking to restore your health, as opposed to fighting disease, we can help you with that.